Hi guys, you're welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how you can update your Telegram app on your mobile device. Keeping your Telegram up to date is essential to ensure that you have the latest features, security patches, and bug fixes. Telegram regularly release updates to improve performance, add new features, and enhance user experience. In this guide, I'll walk you through the step-by-step process of updating your Telegram app on your mobile device, and it's very easy to do. Just make sure you follow me to the end of this video to get it all. And also, if you're new to our YouTube channel, do well to like, subscribe, and leave a comment. So guys, let's get started. So guys, now the first step you have to take now is to go over to your home screen. You have to go over to your mobile home screen. Let me do that right away. So guys, now you can see I'm on the home screen of my mobile device. So what you have to look for now is for your Play Store. If you're using an Android device, you have to look for your Play Store. Or if you're using an iOS device or an iPhone, you have to look for your App Store. But since I'm using an Android device in this video tutorial today, I'm going to look for my Play Store. So let me scroll down now to look for my Play Store. So guys, can see the Play Store logo right there. You can see there written Play Store. So what you have to do now is to tap on it. So let me tap on it. And also, if you're using an iOS device, make sure you look for App Store. Tap on the App Store logo. Tap on the App Store icon to open it up. So let me tap on Play Store right away. So guys, now you can see my Play Store is opening up. So guys, once your Play Store opens up, the first thing you have to do is to search for Telegram. And you can do that by tapping on the search icon at the bottom right corner. So let me tap on the search icon. Then the next step you have to take now is to tap on the search bar at the top. You can see it right there. So let me tap on it so I can search for the Telegram app. So guys, now what you have to do right away now is to type in Telegram. So let me do that right away. Telegram. Let me tap on search. So guys, now you can see Telegram right there. The arrow is pointing at it. So what I will do now is to tap on it to open the Telegram page. So let me tap on it. So guys, now you can see the Telegram app needs updating. You can see the update button right there. If your Telegram is out of date, you're going to see this update button right there. So what you have to do now is to tap on update. So let me tap on update to update it right away. Let me tap on it. Once you tap on updates, the Telegram app is going to start downloading and installing. You can see it's already downloading. It's at 25%. So what I have to do now is to wait for a few seconds for it to be done downloading. After that, it's going to start installing automatically. It's that easy. So guys, let's wait for a few seconds. Depending on your internet connection, how strong it is, it's going to take to some seconds or even minutes. So guys, let's wait for a few seconds. Wow guys, can see it has gotten to 100%. So guys, now you can see it has started installing like I said. Wow guys, can now see the Telegram app is done downloading and installing in my mobile device. So what I can do now is to tap on open to open it up. So let me tap on it. So guys, now you can see my Telegram app is opening. Now I now have the updated version, the latest version of Telegram. By doing this, I've fixed all bugs and all problems I'm having on my Telegram app. So guys, now this is how you can actually update your Telegram app on your mobile device. And I believe this was helpful to you and I believe you got value from it. If you did, do well to like, subscribe, and leave a comment. See you in the next upload. Bye. Peace.